Hey everybody, this is Joel Peterson with the Crypto Code. Hope you guys are doing amazingly well. This is another crypto predictions video. I was up super early this morning watching the markets. I was up early, so you don't have to be. All right, so these are the videos where I do give my crypto price predictions. I take about 10 or so coins or tokens and tell you what my prediction for the price is going to be using our charts and indicators over the next 12 to 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours. Again, these are probabilities, not certainties. Don't make trades based on my predictions. I'm just some guy on a video. However, my predictions are pretty accurate. That is not financial advice. Please do your own research. So what I'm going to do is, normally what I'll do is I'll show you some of my trades. I didn't take any trades yesterday, super busy, got back from vacation, so I don't have any open trades right now. Watching the markets just like everybody else is. And so I'm going to go ahead and we'll start into I'll talk about kind of where Bitcoin is going, where the predictions are. Then I'm going to start with my predictions. I'll take 10 cryptos. Then I'll jump in and we'll talk and we'll show what some of our students have been doing. So again, make sure you like and subscribe. Like this video, subscribe it if you find some value. If you want to get my crypto predictions every single day, that way you can get, like I said, you get notified of these predictions because they are time sensitive. So let's talk about where Bitcoin is heading. I mean, obviously we're at a dump-ola party. We've been rejecting all the way from that, basically our high here, 48,969. Let's call it 49,000. And we expected this pullback. Bitcoin has done this pretty much every time in its history when it hits this retracement level. And then we have a nice dump before the halving. How low will it go? Good question. It's very possible that we're going to go ahead and see our TCC indicators turn into gray, possibly even get into red. This may be some of the best buying opportunities over the next couple months that you'll have before we see Bitcoin go up. So like anywhere between the next 2 to 4 months. Again, guys, once you learn how to do crypto, you don't really care so much if the price is going up or down because you can profit in either direction. You just need to learn how to do this and to cut out the emotions. And that's one of the reasons why I do these videos, is to kind of show you the real way how to profit in crypto. Don't get tied to any token or coin. Don't fall into any hype like the ETF hype. All it is the data in the charts. The data in the charts will tell you everything. So congratulations, those of you, if you've been taking shorts, you're doing really, really well. Where's the price going to go? Oh, that's a good question. We're probably going to end up, down in this range here, probably, maybe even hit 29K at some point. We're probably going to range in these areas. So again, I don't ever like to try to predict the absolute future because nobody knows that. All I know is that crypto goes up and crypto goes down, and we can just kind of tell what's going to happen in the next 12 to 24 hours to 48 hours and then kind of make our decisions from there. I will say one thing, like myself personally, we are getting to some areas where I'll start to consider DCAing into some of my favorite altcoins. I do think that from looking at the data in the charts, we probably will have some bounces up before we go down. And that's one thing it's really important to understand about crypto, is we never go straight down. That line isn't going to go straight down. We'll have a nice dump-ola party here, but we'll also play around in these ranges as we start to go down. And then we'll trend back up a little bit later this year, and that's just how the game goes. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and start into the predictions here. Starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin here on the 1 hour chart, we have a current price of 38,965 with a potential target down 4.35% down to 37,272. On the daily chart, we are also showing the same range down to 37,215. Let's go to Ethereum. We have a current price of $2,219 with potential target of $2,111. And on the daily chart, we have a potential target of 2,362 on the 1 day chart. BNB. We have a current price of $296 with a potential target of $284 on the 1 hour chart. And on the daily chart, we do have a swing up of 4.55%, potential target of $310. So again, guys, these are probabilities, not certainties. Please do your own research before you make any trading decisions. Going down, let's go to XRP. XRP, current price of 50 cents with a potential target down of 4.48. That's 4.55% drop with a daily price, same thing, down, potential target of 4.66, 0.47 drop. On a 1 hour chart, let's go to ADA, Cardano ADA. Current price of 45 cents with a potential target down to 44 cents. And on the daily chart, we do have potential target down of 44 cents, 3.59% drop. Let's go look at AVAX. AVAX, we have current price of $27.96 with a potential target of $25.27. And on the daily chart, $25.25. I think you see how this works, guys. What are we at? Dogecoin. Dogecoin, 7 cents 7 and 7 cents 3. Potential target of 7.3. Let's go take a look at the daily chart. Yeah, down 4.92%, 7 cents 3.5. Let's go take a look at DOT. Good old DOT. $6.11 on the 1 hour chart on the current price with a potential target of $5.63. Yes, I can speak English. And then a potential target of $5.63 on the daily chart as well. Matic, we have a current price of 71 cents with a potential target down to 66 cents with a daily chart of 66 cents as well. Solana, let's do Solana. Solana, $80.22 with a potential target of 73 cents on Solana. Let's go look at the daily on that. Same thing. Said I say 73 cents? $73. $73 on that. Curious about the 4 hour chart. Yeah, $73, not 73 cents, guys. $73. Don't you wish you could buy Solana for 73 cents? I bet at some point someone bought Solana at 73 cents, and if they're still holding, they are a happy camper. All right, let's go down to Link. Link, guys, Link. Current price $13.94 with potential target of $12.76 on Link and a daily target of $12.76. I think you guys are getting the picture here. Crypto is dumping and crypto goes up and crypto goes down. If you learn how to take advantage of these opportunities in both directions, that's how you win the game of crypto. Not financial advice. All right, guys, current price, what are we at? SHIB, all the zeros 859 with potential target of all the zeros 82403 with a daily price of all the zeros 90615. Might be having a little bounce there on SHIB. Litecoin, where are we at on Litecoin? Current price of $64.89 with a potential target down of $59. That's an 8.18% drop if it plays out, but with a daily bounce of up to $68.94. So we maybe we hit a strong buy here earlier. We're hitting kind of these areas of support down in here. It's very possible we could have that bounce up. Litecoin is kind of a funny coin. It actually is a coin, not a token. ICP. Current price $9.82 with a potential target down of $9.44 with a daily target of $9.19. By the way, guys, if you want me to go ahead and review a couple coins or tokens, let me know in the comments below. I think there was a couple. I'm going to go look at those really quick. Comment below. Also, guys, don't forget, if you want to learn our trading strategies, go register down below in the description. You can register for a free workshop, attend, and we'll actually send you $10 in Bitcoin by passing a short quiz. Just a quick note on that. When you fill out that survey at the end of our workshop, do not use the VPN, and make sure you check your spam folder, because we do send you a confirmation email, and we send you a confirmation email after you're approved to submit your Bitcoin wallet address. And if our emails get into your spam, you'll never see it. So make sure you check your spam folder. Let me pause this video and go look for I know there was a few tokens that a few people wanted me to check out. Okay, Near was one of those. I don't think we've checked Near for a few days. So Near, current price of $2.52 on Near. with a potential target down to 2.260. That would be another 10% drop on near. I'm sorry, that's the daily chart. Let me show you the 1 hour, because sometimes you'll get a bounce. Yeah, 1 hour, yeah, showing the same confluence there. Drop of 2.26 cents, 2.26 on near with a 10% drop. Let's go look at the 4 hour on near. Yeah, 4 hour on near as well. Even though we got a buy signal here, we do show a potential drop, and we are in the long trade area. Let's go take a look at the daily chart. We're in this long trade area, so definitely possible DCA consideration. Although I do think that we will probably continue to go down on many of the altcoins. I mean, guys, Bitcoin is tanking, which is expected, and altcoins, they cannot control, like, Bitcoin is gravity. Gravity is going to pull the altcoins down. And so we really just kind of started this dump here, and we will probably see another uptick here, but just understand that your altcoins are going to drop down faster than Bitcoin, and this is how the game is played. So let's see, the other one was RAD. Let's go see what RAD is. RAD, USDT. Let's go, this is the right one here on Binance. So, not familiar much. Oh, yeah, RAD. Is it Radium? I think it might be Radium. Correct me if I'm wrong. But current price is $1.91 on RAD, with a potential price down of 1.76. That would be a 7.39% drop. And on a daily, though, we do have a price swing up $2.06, and would that be an 8.84% gain? So I do want to see that we have been in the short trade area on the daily chart. We're very, very far away from the long trade zone, so any price swing up here will be short-lived for a quick swing trade. I just want to show you guys on a 1 hour chart. We're not even down to the long trade zone yet. Getting close. Yeah, but you can kind of see how this works, guys. So this is kind of how we do our trading. We use our trading dashboard like this, and once you kind of learn how to master this, it makes trading a lot easier. One of the reasons why we developed this whole strategy is a lot of people were like, where's the price going? Where's the price going? I mean, they see support and resistance, but they really have no idea where the price is going. So we were able to develop this indicator based on volume and several other factors in here to show where the probabilities of where price is going. And when you know where with a high probability of where price is going, it makes trading so much easier. We don't really care if the price is going up or down, guys. We profit in both directions, and once you learn how to do that, it will set you free. Let's go look at a couple more. This is an exciting day in crypto with crypto going down. I know a lot of people, the herd is panicking right now, but this is like normal. Like, some of you are going to get some of the best buying opportunities in the next few months if you missed out earlier this year. So these are one of those pivotal moments in crypto where you can get in if you're doing spot trading. And over the next few months, you're probably going to get some really, really good buys. Injective Protocol, $31 on the 1 hour chart with a potential target down of 9.91%, potential target of $28. And on the daily, same thing, down to $28, 9.94% drop. Let's go do one last one. Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic, $22.28. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. $22.28 with a potential target down of $20.58. And the daily chart, we may have a little swing up of $23.47 with a 5.44% gain. Again, guys, these are probabilities, not certainties. Lots of red in the market today. Let me just tell you, from my experience, you buy on red and sell on green. You take your profits. I will tell you, like, inside of our private mastermind area, as we were coming up here, we were telling people, take profits, 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 guys. And, listen, we just done this long enough to understand, like, when we're in these profit zones, when it's time to take profits, and when it's time to look for short trades, and when it's time to buy the dip. And once you kind of learn this, it's a skill that you can learn, and I believe anyone can learn this. So, I appreciate you guys. I'm kind of rambling on here a little bit, but it's actually so exciting. I used to get really discouraged on days like this because I never knew when to buy and when to sell. Like I never knew when to buy and when to sell, and I was always like a guessing game, and I always got into fear and panic. And when we kind of figured it out, and it took a long time. It took us actually several years to kind of figure out how to kind of read these markets with high probability. It totally changed the name of the game. So again, if you guys are interested, go down, check our descriptions. This is just one of our trading methods. If you want to learn how we do a lot of our strategies with automation, if you want to learn how we use this trading dashboard, if you want to learn and see how we do our trade alerts, definitely go check out all we have to offer. All right, let's do this. Let's jump into some of our students and let's see what they are doing. So we've got a Matic short here from Ryan. Again, Ryan, thank you for participating. 6.8% on his Matic short. Quick grab. I think we showed this one yesterday. This was John did a 108% win on cake. Maybe we didn't show that one. John posted another one, last win on BNB. So Fern Fellner did some great trades on BNB. That was one of our trade alert calls. Win on Link. Here's another one from Fern. She had a win on Link. Thank you, Fern, for submitting that. Love the monthly contest. We showed that one yesterday. BTC USDT long. I think we showed Jason's trade yesterday as well. Let's go short. More short wins. Here's Kate Jameson. Congratulations, Kate, taking advantage of all the short trades. 124%, 37%, 50%. Again, guys, these are, I always say, like, these are not typical results. Like, people will say, like, what are your typical results, Joel? And I say, typical results are people lose money in crypto because they usually quit everything they ever do. They don't stick with it. They quit on their first speed bump. They don't take the time to learn. So typical people usually don't make any money in crypto. But if you want to make money in crypto, you've got to be above typical. You've got to stick with it. You've got to learn a few skills. You've got to apply yourself and be in this for the long term. So if you're above typical, you can usually figure out this crypto game and you can make it work for you. Again, that's not financial advice. Your results are going to be depending on you and you alone. All you can do is grab tools and learn, and sometimes you'll learn by mistakes, but hopefully you can learn from our mistakes so you can make your success a little faster. But I guess the point I'm trying to get across is you do need to be above typical. Typical people, like I said, usually quit everything they do in life, and they usually don't have success in crypto. So that's just like the truth, and I like try to tell people like how it is. But if it's like a video game, guys. Like listen, I know maybe you don't play video games, but a lot of people spend a lot of time playing video games, and they get really, really good at video games, right? And they don't make any money in video games. I mean, some of these YouTubers do. But imagine if you traded crypto like a video game, and you practice and you practice and you practice and you practice with paper money. Paper money means fake money, like you're just trading with paper money, and you got really, really good at it, and you got into our program, and you learned how to use these charts and these indicators, and you got into some of our trade alerts, and you practice, and you got so good at it before you started using real money. Do you think that would make a difference? Do you think it would make a difference? I know it would make a difference because, well, we've taught thousands of people how to do it. Alrighty, guys, thank you for checking out my video today. If you liked what you saw today, hit the like, subscribe. Make sure you turn on those bell notifications so you get my crypto prediction videos every single day. This is actually an exciting time in the markets, and if you don't think so, then you need to change your attitude, and then you don't fully understand what crypto is about, because this is some of the best opportunities in front of you and coming up the rest of this year. This might be some of the best dip buying opportunities between the next 2 to 4 months. Again, not financial advice, just kind of what we see in the charts. This is Joel Peterson with the Crypto Code. As always, take massive action in your life and anything you do. We'll see you guys on another video. Bye-bye.